Overpricing, what is that? That's when properties or a land is selling for $70,000 and someone offers the seller $80,000. Let me tell you why that is to be avoided. One, you give sellers what we call unrealistic expectations. Two, you don't make any money because unfortunately you have it locked up too much for too much money. Three, you kind of tarnish your reputation. Your name is precious. So always do good by people, always be on the up and up, and always look out for the cookout. And to avoid this costly mistake, which is overpricing, you need to be in a community with people that can give you feedback on deals before you put them under contract. Join a community with other like-minded people where you can do what we call deal submission, which I have in my paid community. Join my Skool community and you can submit deals and I can give you feedback on it so you will not run into that problem again.